Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jorge, and as many of you guys know, this is my 2019 Camaro SS. Got the G8 over there. Don't think we've forgotten about him. And today, we're going to be putting some new wheels. Alright guys, like I mentioned to you guys in the last video, we did get the wheels in for the car, and now we're actually going to go ahead and get them mounted. So let's see, what wheels did we go with? Well, we went with MRR wheels, guys, and if you can see there, these are the 1LE style wheels. The M017, we've got the 20x10s in the front and 20x11s in the rear. These are the gloss black, so to keep in theme with the car, I think they're gonna look great. And I was able to get these on eBay for a really good deal. You know, sometimes you just browse eBay and you just get lucky. These typically run around $1,400 or so on any eBay seller. And A-Spec wheels and tires, they actually hooked it up. They had I guess one of their eBay listings for $1,100. So I got these shipped for $1,100 brand new. And then what we're gonna use as tires is these here, guys. So these are OEM takeoffs from a ZL1. So we've got the 285 30s. So these are the 285s. And as you can see, they're basically new. The ZL1 that these came off of had 2,000 miles daily driven, so they are really good. And then we've got the 305 30s, and the back tires are just pretty good too. I got these at a crazy deal, guys. So a local man here in Texas, he bought a ZL1 and he daily drives it, so these tires are not known for their good wet weather traction, so he ended up taking these off at 2,000 miles because he needed something that was going to handle better in the rain. And I got these whole set, all four, for $300, guys. $300. So all in all, between the tires, which are basically brand new, and the wheels, I'm only in it about $1,500. Now I did order, actually I take that back, because I also ordered some brand new black lug nuts, a locking set of lug nuts, and all new tire pressure monitor sensors in a black valve stem as well. So I got to make sure I go grab that, and then we're gonna take these to get mounted, and when we get back, we're gonna be putting them on that beast right there. So alright guys, we are back from the tire shop, and check it out. I do have to clean them. They did use a grease and soap and all that to make sure that they can mount them without damaging the wheels, and they did a great job. So shout out to SMJ Tire Shop on Spencer here in Pasadena and Houston. If you need something and you're in Houston, go to them. Those guys definitely can treat you right and know how to handle these special delicate wheels. I've got them all on. I've got the black valve stems on, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean these up, and then we'll move the G8 out of the way, put the Camaro in sideways, and swap the tires out, guys. Guys, so here we got the cars already situated, and today's gonna be the first time we get to use those new lift points, so that's gonna be very easy to do. So all we're gonna do is get our jack and then find our lift point, which is right here. And we're just gonna start, go find it. There it is. And just like that, it's that easy, guys. We can just start jacking up the car safely without worrying about anything. So it's gonna make it very, very easy. Alright guys, so for this wheel swap, I actually went ahead and ordered black lug nuts. These are thinner because the MRR wheels do require a thinner. The stock lug nuts will not fit here. These holes are a little thinner, so you want to use slim profile ones, which is why I ordered a set of lug nuts with a thinner profile. I've also ordered Gorilla wheel locks. They even come with the socket, so that's really nice. And I've gotten these tire valve stems that my cousin actually gave me for my birthday. They have the SS logo, so those are going to be really, really nice on the car. So let's go ahead and remove these and put the new ones and see how it looks, guys. So I've removed the front one, and just look at that difference in width. I mean, definitely the 285, of course, a lot bigger than the 245, but these tires are basically brand new. Only have 500 miles on them. Very easy 500, never burned them out or anything, but it's just a world of a difference. So definitely gonna make this car look a lot more aggressive. So let's go ahead and put this on. Also, I forgot to mention, the MRRs come with MRR gloss cap, but they also allow you to fit the stock caps on, and I ordered these gloss black SS wheels for it, and so SS caps for them, which I'm going to be putting on, and this should make it look a lot better. So let me know what you think. Should I do the SS or pop this Chevy logo and put that one on there, since it does accept the same ones? I think the SS looks a lot better, guys. Plus I do have the gloss black valve stem, so there's really nothing here that's got this polished look, and I think the red would definitely stand out a little more. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably put these SS ones on. Alright guys, you guys can see that front one's already on, but now time to put the back one in. Even the back one, oh my goodness, a full inch wider wheel, much wider tires. These are 275s, I believe, and these are 305s. So yeah, again, like I said, it's gonna make this car look so much more aggressive. Can't wait to see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and put it on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put all the rest of them on, drive it around, make sure everything settles in, and then we'll see just how it turned out. Ooh, oh my god, guys, this is gonna look so good. Check this out. Oh my goodness, bam. Yeah, these wheels definitely look way more aggressive than the factory ones, and they definitely fill out that wheel well perfectly. Like I mentioned in the previous vlog about my rock guards, I was getting ready for the wider wheels, and as you can see, the rock guards go right perfectly behind that tire to make sure that no rocks, especially with these Eagle F1s, they're very sticky and everything sticks to them, so we don't want anything being flung up back. And even in the back, guys, looks perfect fitment. Of course, these are basically almost OEM specs, so they look great. The back tire, again, rock guards are gonna be my friend, because they're gonna make sure that I don't sling rocks, especially at people following behind me. But yeah, what do you guys think? Check that out. I mean, I think these look really nice, really aggressive. I was worried that I was gonna need to drop the car pretty much ASAP, but I mean, definitely gonna need a drop, but it's not horrible right now, especially once I get some tire dressing on the tires and it all kind of blacks out and blends in together. I think it'll look just fine. But overall, I think, I mean, just the perfect width all the way around. I mean, couldn't have asked for a better look. these GM hit it out of the park with their 1LE style wheel, and then obviously got to thank MRR for coming out with their replica style wheel. But man, look at that concaveness, that aggressiveness, just looks amazing, especially on that front tire and in this back tire as well. What do you guys think? I think they look amazing. They look great, and everything ties off, especially with this nice gloss SS cap and even my SS valve stems caps. So now all I got to do is do the tire pressure monitor relearn thing, and I do have the device, so I'm going to be doing that. And alright guys, so we put the new wheels on, so let's go ahead and do the tire pressure relearn. And for any GM, basically what you're going to want is this device here. It's an EL50448, and this is a GM specific one, and you'll basically use this to reprogram the new tire pressure sensors on your car. Now every car is different in terms of how to get to the tire pressure relearn mode, and in this car and the Camaros, what you want to do is you want to hold the start stop button without pressing the brake for 5 seconds. So you hold the brake, you don't hold the brake, and you just hold the start stop button for 5 seconds, and it comes into this mode here. And now here you get to your tire pressure monitors, and what you do here is you're gonna hold the select button until it turns on the tire pressure relearn. So you just press this select button and hold it down. After a few seconds, the car will beep twice and it'll say that the tire learning is active, and that is when you can now come and use this device. So every GM vehicle is about the same, but basically you're going to start at the driver front tire and go in a clockwise rotation. If you don't know exactly where you to start, the car does turn on the turn signals, the side that you need to start. In this case, you have to start at this side. And this device is really simple. You guys literally just put it up against the tire where the valve stem is, and then press the button, and then the car honks, acknowledging that that one's been read. The light turns off here, and you go around. Now this one's turned on, and again you're going to do that all the way around. So let's go ahead and do that. Got one down here, got the other one, so we're up here. Alright, and then we got the last one, which is this one. And you heard that, guys. After the last one, you hit the beep, and then a few seconds later you get 2 honks, and when the second 2 honks are done, that means you're done, and the car is now ready to be reading the new tire pressure sensors. So you can go ahead and turn off the car, and that's it. So it's very simple, guys, as easy as that. Nothing too hard, but you do need to get this device here. I got this on Amazon. It's really, really cheap. I think I paid like $20 for this thing, and it works perfectly. So now the new tire pressure sensors are on. I'm not gonna have any codes, and the car is ready to drive. And man, I can't get over that look. That looks so good with these new 1LE style wheels. Let me know what you guys think. I think they look great. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, comment, and make sure to stay up to date with all my videos. There's a bunch of stuff that I plan on doing with this car, especially once I get that oil change. Right now, I think these wheels are just so damn good. But anyways, guys, my stock wheels will be for sale. I will be posting those up for sale. If someone wants them, go ahead and comment or add me on Instagram and send me a DM, and we'll figure things out. But for now, guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys have a great one and enjoy the rest of your weekend.